If you've ever wanted to launch Epic Games right from Steam, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add Epic Games to Steam in just a few simple steps. This is a great trick if you want a cleaner game library, faster access to your favorite launcher, or just like keeping everything in one place. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick gaming tips and tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Steam on your computer. Once Steam is open, look at the top menu and click on Games. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there select Add a non-Steam game to my library. This is the option that lets you add programs and launchers that are not originally installed through Steam. Now, a new window will pop up showing a list of programs on your PC. If you see Epic Games in the list, click the checkbox next to it. If it doesn't appear right away, you may need to browse manually for the Epic Games Launcher executable on your computer. This step is important because Steam needs to know exactly which program you want to add. After selecting Epic Games, go ahead and click Add Selected Programs. Steam will then register the launcher and place it into your library as a non-Steam game. Once that's done, you can head back to your Steam library and you should see Epic Games listed there. You can even right-click it to change the name, add artwork, or adjust shortcuts if you want a more polished setup. From here, launching Epic Games is easy. Just open Steam, click the Epic Games entry, and start the launcher directly from your library. This can make it much more convenient if you like using Steam Big Picture Mode, a controller setup, or just want to keep all your apps in one place. And that's it. You've successfully added Epic Games to Steam. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.